everybody, today we're gonna solve a word problem that I have written out for us. So the word problem goes like this. Sam has a cylinder with a radius of 1 inch and a height of 2 inches, and he wants to paint it blue for his baby brother. With every ounce, he can cover 2 square inches. How many ounces of paint does he need? Well, before we go on to solving the amount of paint he needs, please put in the comments below what else you would like to learn about math. And like this video. And also subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos that I have posted. So before we can find the amount of paint that Sam needs, we need to know how to calculate the surface area of a cylinder. So here you see we have the formula written out for us right here. 2 times pi times the radius times the height plus radius in parentheses. And we know that the radius is 1 inch and the height is 2 inches. So let's add those dimensions into the formula. So that would look like this. 2 times pi times 1 inch times 2 inches plus 1 inch. So since 2 inches and plus 1 inch is in parentheses, we're going to solve that first. And that would equal 3 inches. So that would be equal to 2 times pi times 1 inch times 3 inches. Next step we're going to multiply 1 inch times 3 inch, which equals 3 inches square. That would be 2 times pi times 3 inches square. Now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 2 times 3 inches, which equals pi times 6 inches square. For our next step, so now that we have our surface area of the cylinder that Sam wants to paint, written out in terms of pi right here, we're going to multiply 6 inches square times pi, and that would equal 18.84 inches square. So that we have the surface area of the cylinder, we need to figure out the amount of blue paint that Sam needs. And since for every 2 square inches he uses 1 ounce, or for every 1 inch square he uses 0.5 ounces, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply it by 0.5 ounces over inches square. And that would look like this. 18.84 inches square times 0.5 ounces over inches square. Now, as you see here, this equation has an inches square in both parts, right? So they cancel each other out. And so now what we're left is ounces. So it would be 18.84 times 0.5 ounces, and that would equal 9.42 ounces. So now that we have found out the amount of blue paint that Sam needs to paint the cylinder for his baby brother, please like this video and make sure you also subscribe to my channel. Bye!